while we're out and about, we think kids locally just got out of school, so we want them to be outside having a good time instead of sitting inside. But one of the things I see some concerns about quite often, especially from parents, is the dogs that are out and about.
Right.
So what happens if your child is attacked by a dog? What can you do?
Yeah, and we see a lot of those in my office too. You know, dog bites, especially with children or elderly, can be very severe. And there are certain breeds of dogs, Lynn, that are predisposed to be under the law. Not Josh talking under the law. They're predisposed as a dangerous breed. And so if you get bitten by one of those dogs, most often one comes to mind is a pit bull. Say, for instance, a pit bull bites you, you have a stronger case than
because it has a powerful bite.
Well, and unfortunately, the way they've been trained a lot of times, and just genetically, the way they've been trained for years, leads them to be more violent at times. Of course, not all of them are, but if you're bitten by one of those dangerous breeds of dogs, you might have a better case. Otherwise, you've got to show that the owner had knowledge of the dog's dangerous condition, dangerous propensities, and then you might have a case. Unfortunately, if it's, say, just a pet poodle and it's the first time the dog has bitten someone, you may have a hard time recovering against the owner because of that.
So I've heard the term sometimes, and maybe this is a myth, but I've heard the term "one free bite." Have you ever heard that tossed around?
I have.
These types of
I
cases?
have, and you know, like most legal matters, it's a case by case, fact by fact basis. That judges do have some discretion, and certainly if there's not any kind of history with the dog, then that case might get thrown out.